The 𝗨𝚘𝚜𝚘𝚘 intercom also lets you talk in Bluetooth mode. Let's find out how. Firstly, turn on the 𝗨𝚘𝚜𝚘𝚘 device and pair the intercoms with each other. Choose the main unit, which all the others will be connected to. Move it closer to the second one and hold down the intercom central button on both units at the same time for 5 seconds. When the red LED turns on, it means pairing mode has started. To pair additional devices, repeat this procedure, connecting the main unit to a third one and up to a maximum of 4. Alternatively, pairing can be done with ease by using the Interphone app. The pairing operation only needs to be done on first use, after which any devices will be recognized automatically. When the devices are paired, to start talking with the whole group, just press the 2 music and telephone buttons on the main unit at the same time. Once the connection is established, the light will flash green twice. However, to talk individually with one of the other 𝗨𝚘𝚜𝚘𝚘 devices, press the central button on the main unit. Once the connection is established, the light will flash blue twice. Let's now see how to pair the 𝗨𝚘𝚜𝚘𝚘 with units from previous series, like in this example with the 𝚘𝚘 intercom. Turn on the 𝗨𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘 device, then press the intercom and telephone buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. The LED will light up blue. Now hold down the on button on the previous model until the LED flashes red and blue. The intercom audio will guide you through every stage to make setting it up even easier.